Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can play any PlayStation 4 games on your PC or your laptop. So first of all, go to any web browser on your PC. Then open the link in the description. After you open the link from the description, it will take you to the official site of Remote Play. And remember one thing, you can use Remote Play on both your Windows PC or your Mac. So since we are using a PC, I will click on Windows PC user. Now it will give you a list of what you need to use PS4 Remote Play. So first of all you need is a computer, a PS4 system. It doesn't matter whether you have PS4 Pro or the regular PlayStation 4. And next you need a DualShock 4 wireless controller and a USB cable, or you could also use a DualShock 4 USB wireless adapter, but since most of us don't have it, we will simply use the USB cable. And we also need a PSN account and high-speed internet connection. And once you have all of those, scroll down and click on Windows PC. Then the download will start. The file is of 9.3 MB, so it will just take a few seconds to download. And once it's downloaded, open it. Then you'll have to select a language. My language is English, so I'll select it and click OK. Now it will prepare to install. And after it's installed, click Next and accept the terms in the license agreement, and again click Next. Then you can choose a location for the installation folder. I'm okay with the default, so I'll click Next. And finally click Install. After it is installed, click Finish. And there you can see an icon of the application on your desktop. Open it. Now go to your PS4 and go to Settings. Go down and choose Remote Play Connection Settings. And make sure that Remote Play is enabled. And now go to Devices and disconnect your DualShock 4. And now once you have disconnected your PS4 controller, aka DualShock 4, and also enable Remote Play on your PlayStation, you will need the same DualShock 4 controller and a USB cable. Now connect your DualShock 4 to your PC with the USB cable. And now the lights should be dark blue. And now once you have connected your DualShock 4, go to Settings, click Sign In, and enter your sign in ID. Click Next and enter your password for your PSN network. After entering both your email ID and password, click Sign In. And now you can set a resolution for your Remote Play. For me, I'll choose 720p, which is high, and the frame rate to standard. And I'll click OK. Then click Start. And it will search for the PS4 via internet, and this will take a lot of time. So if you don't want to connect via internet, you can register manually by clicking the option Register Manually. Then go to your PS4 screen. Now if you have another controller, you can use another controller to connect to your PS4. But if you don't have another controller, you can use the same controller. And once you're in your PS4, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Remote Play Connection Settings and choose Add Device. And then it will show a 8-digit number. it may show different number on your PS4. So remember this number and you have to enter this number on your PC. Now enter the same number shown on your PS4 screen, 66414299, and click register. Then it will register and connect manually to the PS4. And there, you can see the PS4 screen on your PC. Now let me show you. We can use our PS4 on our PC like this. See, we can back it and see this is my PS4 screen. It works perfectly fine. So you can also zoom it. And from there, we can play any games from your PlayStation 4 on your PC. Let me show you. And now, as you can see, I can play any PS4 games on my PC. And now you can play your PlayStation games on your PC. And just like you can see, it is working without lag and is also working smoothly. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful tips like these.